Hello everyone, I am Nitisha from the 9 Pointer, and today we are going to start our intermediate 2D practice problems in AutoCAD. Our prerequisite for this course would be that you should know at least some of the basic commands of AutoCAD, like how to give input, how to use these commands like copy command, mirror, rotate, trim, array command, offset command, explode command, and you should know how to make some of the shapes, basic shapes. So let's start and see what we are going to make today. This is our drawing today. We have equilateral triangle here and we know the distance between the borders is that is a perpendicular distance between the border is 14 everywhere, and our center equilateral triangle is of edge 1.5. So we everyone knows what is the equilateral triangle, that is the internal angle will be 60 degree. So let's start making. We will start with this our internal triangle. So let's move our main drawing to the left. We'll start with this line command here. I am taking the same reference point. You can start from anywhere you like. Now our side is 1.5. So I will enter 1.5. For internal angle to be 60 degree, our external angle should be 120 degree. So I will press tab and enter 120 here and press enter. And we'll close the triangle and press escape. Now here I am going to join this triangle. So I will just select the whole triangle, go to this modify drop down and select this join command. So our triangle is joined here. Now press escape. Let's see what's next we are going to draw. We don't know the dimensions of inner side, so let's just make these lines which are the extents of our triangle. So let's come to our triangle here. Let's take our move command, sorry, line command. Just select and we don't know the dimensions, so I am making a random dimension line. So just click. Now press escape. Now you can use a line command and make the lines here and from here, but I'm going to use a polar command so that my lines are of equal dimensions. So I'm selecting this. I will go to this drop down and select our polar array command. For center, I will take the center of this triangle, that is the CG of the triangle. So here we got 6 lines. I'm going to change the number of items to 3 and close array. Okay, so now we know the distance is 14, that is the perpendicular distance is 14. So we can use the offset command here and make these outer lines. So for that, let's go to our drawing and choose this offset command, enter 14 and just select this line. Okay, one more thing we need to do. Press escape. We used polar command here, so we need to explode it so that our drawing behaves individually. That is, our lines behave individually. So go to this home tab and click this explode command. Now we'll go to this offset tool again, take 14 units. We'll select this line and we make at the left. This will be top and this will be our right, and press escape. Now let's just join these lines. We'll take our move line command. We will extend and take the intersection of these two lines. Again, if you are not getting the intersections of these points, come to this drop down and make sure you have take this intersection. Okay, so we were joining the lines, so let's join them now. Select join, press escape, press enter to repeat the command. Select extend and join and press escape. We have done with our internal triangle. Now let's see how we can proceed. Okay, so we are having these 3 equilateral triangle also, but dimensions, we don't know the dimensions. But we do know this is the intersection point is one of the vertex of this triangle. And we see that these two triangles are at the same level. Okay, let's try making that. So we got one of these vertex is this, and let's just extend this line. We got another vertex, this one, and let's press escape and make the base. Let's take any random dimension. We'll press enter and start making line from here. We don't know the dimension, so let's move over this cursor below this line. Okay, I'll press tab and enter angle of 60° here and press enter, and let's escape. Now let's just trim these extra lines here. Go to this trim command. Let's just trim these lines now and press escape. We got our triangle now. So we will just copy this triangle to this position and one out this position. At here we are having this top vertex, and at the top we are having our bottom right vertex. So let's just copy. I am selecting this triangle. I will take this copy command. We'll copy from the top and we'll place it here. I'm deleting this extra line and we will trim this extra line here. Take the trim command and trim and press escape. In the same way, I will just select and copy this from the bottom right vertex here. We'll copy and I will come here and place and press escape. Again, delete this extra line and just trim the top portion. Okay, so we are done with our internal things. Now we only need that outer triangle. So we know that it's at the perpendicular distance of 40. So we can make the offset here. So let's go to this offset command. Again, enter 14, press enter, and let's just select these points. By joining this, we can make a line and we can make a triangle. So let's just offset these portions. We'll select and offset and press escape. We got our 6 lines, and now let's just join them. Now how we will make our ends? So just click, we will just extend and escape, press enter again. Now we will extend this point and we will trim these portions here and press escape. Now let's just join these 2 points here. Okay, now one more way of joining or making the triangle edge, that is just take this line command. We will click and we will just snap this point like this. We are getting this intersection. We'll click and we'll join it here and press escape. You can choose any of these 2 ways. Now let's just join the whole triangle now. Click and join. For the top also, you can just snap. I will just make go with the easy way. Just extend. Again press enter. Click and extend. Now go to this trim command and let's just trim these 2 points. Trim this line and trim this line. In our triangle from the main, we don't have this extra lines, so let's just trim these lines, this line and this line. So we are here with our final drawing. Our final drawing is ready. Now let's go and do the dimensioning. Go to this linear dimension here. Click this point, go to perpendicularly and select here. Again press enter to repeat the command. This point and click. I'll just make it towards left. So we are done with our final drawing. If at any point in the drawing. If you're having any doubt here, you can comment in the dis- you can comment down, or you can just mail us on our mail ID. If you want to access this DWG file, you can access it from our GitHub account. I will put its link in the description below. So thank you everyone. Please do like, share and subscribe and stay tuned.